Hi, this is Rhett, sales manager here at Miller's RV, and today I'm standing in front of a fresh trade-in, a 2006 Fleetwood Jamboree, and we're going to do a quick walk around just to show you some of the exciting features on this coach. All right, and don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. That way you'll get new notifications. And always forget, or no, excuse me, never forget our frequently asked questions. We still do that series, and we'll try to get to those questions as fast as we can. Now let's go ahead and get started on this walk around. Now, normally when we do these walk arounds, we're looking at new inventory, exciting new floor plans or new product that's come in, or later model trade-in that we have. The reason I want to talk about this coach is it's priced in the low 30s, number one, so it'd make a great starter coach. And the people that traded this in did a lot of upgrades on it. When you look at the exterior of this coach, it's got new tires on it, new awning fabric on it. They just had the generator completely gone through and redone with a new carburetor on it. And there's a lot of upgrades. Now, I'm gonna move over to the kitchen and start talking about some features inside this unit. Now, you'll notice the people that had this coach did some modifications here in the kitchen. They actually removed the 3-burner gas, cooktop, and oven combination. They put in a solid surface countertop here and installed a 2-burner induction cooktop in here, which there again, a little more of an upgrade, a little bit newer as far as the appliance in here. They've installed a toaster oven here, but they left the microwave in to give you 3 different cooking options in here. So even versus a new coach, this actually has more features than what we see in our newer coaches. Now, faucets have been upgraded in this. Water filtration system has been added to it. Refrigerator, they changed the panels here and went to the blackout instead of the stainless, which is a lot easier to keep clean. And if you look down at the floors, all the floors in this coach have been changed. The front end has been rebuilt as far as the bed area in here, and all of your televisions have been upgraded also. Now we're going to move over to the driving cab. Now I moved over to the front driving cab area just to point out a few features up here. Now this coach is actually in the brochure considered an 8 sleeper. You do have 4 different sleeping areas. Your sofa here will fold down and make a sleeping area. Dinette folds down to make a sleeping area. And then behind me, obviously you can see the overhead cab area that turns into a sleeper. Now, main reason I wanted to come up here and talk is this coach is, an 06, so we're in 2023. It's a 17-year-old coach. It has less than 17,000 miles on it. That's almost unheard of on a coach this size. This unit really has not even been broken in yet, and it is equipped with the Ford V10 in it. And like I said earlier, new tires and a lot of work has been done to the exterior of this coach. This coach is road ready. I'd get in it right now and go anywhere in the country. Now we're going to flip around and go to the back end of this coach. Now I'm in the bedroom on this particular coach just to show you 2 things back here. This is a double slide unit called a 31M floor plan, which back in those years was the #1 selling floor plan for Fleetwood Jamboree. But one of the upgrades that they did in here is they actually just installed a Serta iComfort mattress in here. Very, very comfortable. If you've never tried one of these, go by Mattress store or come by here. It's unbelievable how this thing sleeps. Now, we're going to go outside and take a look at a few things out there. All right, now here we are in the bathroom of the 2006 Jamboree, and there again, just a couple things I wanted to point out in here. This does have a full walk-in corner shower, which is going to give you the most amount of room. Plus, you don't have the shower curtain in here, which is so much more convenient to have the glass shower than the shower curtain. Now, the last thing that these people did, and it was funny because the guy told me about this, is he installed a new fantastic fan with a remote control. Now, the reason it was so funny, he said when he would come in here and sit down here, he would always forget to open the vent. So he had the remote control so he didn't have to get up. He could just hit a button and take everything out of here. Now, same thing when you're in the shower, because you can't reach this from the shower. You want to try to get that steam out of here so you don't have all that fog up in here. And it's nice having that big 12-inch fan to be able to do that. And now that we're done with the bathroom, let's step back into the main room and finish up. All right, now that concludes the walk around on my favorite features on this coach. And I wanted to point out, I've been doing this 30 years. When this floor plan came out years ago, it was always one of my favorites to sell. So definitely come by, come see us, come see Cam or David, come do a test drive on this coach. Or you can go to our website at millersrv.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. And always remember, enjoy the journey.
Hey, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Please let us know if you have other questions you want to answer. And if you have nothing else to do, watch one of these videos here. Subscribe so you know when more are coming out. Have a great day and enjoy the